we went hospital too, so we can do hospital things. I have to learn how to eat this hospital, so we don't want to start in this. So do you? I think. Okay, so we're gonna have a hospital. Hospital is like a hospital when you feel bad or something. So we're not gonna get sick. Sick is goes away. I don't like sick at all. Sick looks bad. Oh my god. I heard it sound like screaming a woman. Let's go check it out and see if it's screaming. I'm sorry, but the techno is lost because of the due to the yet of a CPR available heart pumping a body's full bloodness. Well, you shouldn't have watching your bloody violence because of a man popping it. Man popping your bodies and so many bloods on my walls. You had to cue the videos.